Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Salam dan Bahagia. Introduce us. Here we want to present the result of our segment recording, Coklat Monggo as a Blaze. Before that, we'll be introduce ourselves. The first, Devila Sapta Aprilia Cendana Alam, with student ID numbers 2022 008 044. Then Monica Duvanti Kasari with study ID numbers 2022 008 046. And then Diva Rizka Setiani with student ID numbers 2022 008 040 070. Next. Okay, just go straight to it. Okay, straight to the material. The first thing will be present of the Villa Sapata.
History of Coklat Monggo. The beginning of the establishment of Monggo Chocolate was founded on the desire of a tourist from Belgium to create a chocolate taste like in Europe. The tourist's name is Thierry Detournay. At the time, he squeezed chocolate, but was disappointed that the taste was not like the taste of chocolate in Europe. Next. So, Thierry decided to make chocolate to give to his friend in Indonesia. The positive response from friends made this man who loved chocolate since childhood make more. He then sold his chocolates to the UGM area on an old motorbike. Next. Then in 2005, he began to dare to open a stall under the name Chacho Mania, but later made it into Chocolate Monggo, so that it still had a Javanese feel, where we hope that Monggo chocolate will become premium quality chocolate and target tourists both domestically and internationally.
Okay, next, the process of making chocolate mango. Starting from the cocoa beans, they come from mature cocoa trees. After the cocoa pods are harvested, they are peeled and the seeds are taken out. Then put it in a box covered with banana leaves for the fermentation process. This fermentation process usually takes 5 days, but sometimes it varies depending on the type of the cocoa bean. When the sides of the cocoa beans are brown, the next stage is the drying stage by drying them in the sun until the water content is reduced by 6 until 7%. The next stage is delivery and shaking. Next. In this part of the check, the selection of the cocoa beans will be carried out according to their size. This is because the size of the cocoa bean affects chew approach time and maturity when roasted. Then the selected cocoa beans are roasted for different durations. Then the cocoa beans are broken down and the shell are not consumed, and the rest is ground to produce pure cocoa beans. There are two grinding, namely coarse and fine. Next. The next stage is conching or stirring the cocoa mixture with consistent movement, which take 12 to 72 hours. After that, the cocoa is stabilized for several weeks in storage before being processed. Then, the tempering stage, which consists of mixing the butter with the cocoa so that it looks shiny. Then after processing, the chocolate is molded according to size. Then it is to remove and release from the mold. The final stage of making this chocolate is packaging, where the chocolate is coated in aluminum foil to avoid contamination.
Next, contents of the Chocolate Mongo place. In the Mongo chocolate business complex itself, apart from selling chocolate product, there is also a factory where chocolate is produced. Visitor can see how the process from making cola to packaging begin. Apart from that, there is also a museum which contains the beginnings of the history of chocolate both in Indonesia and abroad. The distribution of chocolate is the word and the process of making it. Apart from that, there are various types of chocolate which may only be found at Chocolate Mongo.
Okay, this is the process of production of chocolate mango. Next. Okay, that's all the presentation from our clubs. We apologize more and less. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.